everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I bleach my nuts. What I'll be needing for this project, I'm going to need a bit of bleach powder, a Shimmer light shampoo, the purple shampoo, a 30 volume developer, a tongue depressor. You can use a brush or a spoon, whatever thing works for you to be able to apply the mixture. You can use that. And you will need your wig. I have my wig, and it's a 4x4 closure. You can also use gloves. As for me, I didn't have gloves at the moment, so I just went ahead and just worked like that. So right now I'm just basically showing you how my closure looks like from the start. You can see the nuts are really big and that dark, so we're trying to get it lighter. And to achieve that, you need a bleach and a bleach powder. So right now we're gonna jump ahead and get our mixture ready. I'm gonna be using about half a scoop of powder because I'm bleaching just 1 week and I don't want any to be left. But unfortunately, I think my mixture was a little bit too much for just the 4x4 closure. So I went ahead and just put like half a scoop of the bleach powder, and then I used the 30 volume developer. I just eyeballed it. And I actually put too much of that because my mixture was not as thick as I really wanted, but I could still work with that. But always make sure the consistency of your mixture is thick, like in the form of a paste. That way you'll not be able to seep through your closure and stain the rest of the wig. So make sure you pay attention to that. So for me, my mixture was a little bit lighter than I expected, but it still worked for me. I was able to apply it gently, and then it was able to bleach the nuts. So right now, as you see, I'm just kind of mixing that to get the consistency I want, after which I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my wig. Right now, we're going to start the application process. So I have my closure ready. Always make sure you brush the hairs or to the back. That way it doesn't come in between you applying the paste onto the closure. As you can see, when I start applying that, you see some hair coming in between my work. I just kind of pull that to the side, but always make sure you brush your hair in order to avoid this type of mistake. But it wasn't that bad. So right now I'm just kind of applying the mixture onto the closure, and I'm using a lighter motion. I'm not really pressing. I'm not pressing too hard onto the closure, because if I do that, it's gonna seep through and stain the hair on the other side. So just gonna put in a lighter motion and make sure I cover all the closures. I've actually watched some people just applying closure to the front, but I like to apply it all the way to my closure. That way if somebody wants to pat their hair in any side, it's still gonna work for them. And wherever I stop, that's where they're gonna like cut off the lace, so I don't really put the paste all the way to the front. So I just go ahead, apply my mixture. So after applying my mixture, I'll go ahead and use a foil paper to cover up the areas where I had the bleach on, and I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes. Actually, you just saw I still have a little bit left after I had applied it. So always measure your powder according to the number of weeks you're bleaching. So after letting it sit for about 30 minutes, I just come in to check. I checked on both sides to make sure the process is ongoing. As you can see, it started to turn color, so I'll just let it sit again for a couple of minutes, and then I'll move on to washing of the bleach of the closure. Right now I'm just washing it with the warm water, getting that out. I just took it as an opportunity to wash the entire wig and to wash the closure and get the orange color out of it. I used the Shimmer light purple shampoo. That helped a lot. I just put it on the closure and let it sit for a couple of minutes, after which I rinsed that out and then just air dried the wig, and that was it. I hope you really learned something, or if there was something that I did that you think I can do better, just let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.